In this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new affiliate marketing strategy that no one else is doing. It is currently getting me crazy results. One of the campaigns that I'm currently running is bringing me in over 600% return on investment. So that means every dollar that I put into that campaign, I'm getting $6 back. And in this video, I'm gonna reveal everything to you from the cheap, untapped traffic source that not a lot of people know about, together with this secret strategy that just gets crazy results. So please make sure that you're paying attention to this video because it is one of my most valuable videos that I've ever created. Okay, so I don't wanna waste any time. I'm gonna dive straight into it now. First of all, I wanna show you some results that I'm currently getting from this strategy, and then I'm gonna break it down for you from start to finish and show you everything that you need to get started with this strategy. So this is just my tracking software which I use to track my campaigns. I'll explain a bit more about that later on, but I just want to show you some results first of all. So I'm just going to refresh this page here and show you some of the results that I'm getting from this. So scroll across here. So this is the first campaign which I'm currently running. I've made $102 profit today from that campaign, which is a return on investment of 586%. It was over 600 before, but it's gone down a little bit since I recorded the intro. This one's made profit of $15 and this one's made 29 cents, which isn't a lot. So this top campaign here, I've spent $17 on adverts and I've received back $102 in revenue, which obviously equals over $100 in profit. And that's just today. So as you can see, this strategy is currently working for me and I've only just gotten onto it. I've not even scratched the surface with what's possible with this, and I've decided to share it on my YouTube channel. And I see quite a few people asking me, they say, well, if it works so well, why would you share it? And I was debating actually before I put this video out. I was thinking, should I share this on my YouTube channel? Should I rinse it as much as I can first, make as much money before I show it to everyone? Or maybe I should create a paid course showing people how to do it if they pay me money. But I thought, no, I'm going to put it on my YouTube channel. I'm going to give away my best secrets for free. And there's a few reasons for that. First of all, I know that 99% of the people watching this video won't even take action. So I'm not even really that bothered about my methods being oversaturated. But also, I want to stand out and I want to build my personal brand as being the guy that gives out high quality content and shares strategies that actually work, because there's so many of these sleazy YouTube gurus out there at the moment that are just recycling old videos or doing clickbaity titles about how to make $100 a day drawing lines, and you know it doesn't work and they're getting loads of views. And I want to be the guy that's actually putting out high quality content that is currently working for me. But also, it does benefit me as well, because the more high quality content I'm putting out there, the faster my channel's growing. I make money off the ad revenue. I'm also making money off affiliate links in the description. So if I show you a strategy that also has an affiliate program for one of the programs that I'm using, I make money from that. But it also builds my brand in the long term as well. So I'm looking at the bigger picture. I'm happy to share with you a strategy to make $100 a day or $200 per day. Even in the long run, it's going to lead to me making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So I just wanted to clear that up before we dive in. So let's go for it. So there's 3 important factors to make this strategy work. The first thing is the traffic source. So it's not Facebook, it's not Google, it's probably not a traffic source that you've used before. And it works amazingly with this strategy, but it doesn't work well on its own. You need to have a very specific type of landing page, which isn't really a landing page, but I'm going to reveal exactly what it is in this video. And then you couple those two things with a certain type of offer and bam, you get super high conversions, super cheap clicks, and you make lots of profit in the process. So first of all, the offer that we're using in this strategy is CPA offers, which stands for cost per action. I've spoken about this on my channel before. The network which I'm using is Max Bounty, so it's affiliate marketing. But basically these offers, they pay you out like a one-off payment, like a one-off commission, usually for sending leads to their website. So if I get someone to go to one of these offers and enter an email address, this website might pay me out $1 or $2. Or if I get them to sign up to a full form, they might pay me out $20, $30, $50. It depends. They pay you out a one-time commission basically for getting leads to their website. And I'll show you some examples of that in a moment. But it works really well with this traffic source, which is push notification traffic. So if you've not heard of push notification traffic, I'll show you now. It's been a bit hit and miss for me in the past, but with this landing page, this type of landing page, Oh my gosh, it makes it convert like crazy. But I'll show you an example of push notification, and then I'll walk you through the actual funnel, through the landing page to the offer, and explain everything. So this is Propeller Ads. It's my push notification ad network, which I'll explain a bit more about in a second, but I just want to show you an example of what a push notification is so you can see. I'll zoom into this here. So this is what it will look like on a phone. So this is like a preview of a phone, an Android phone. And when the push notification comes through to their phone, and you basically have a headline and one image and a sub-headline. So this one says, Donna from Vindale Research, hello, are you available, with a little picture of a woman. And if they're on a computer, it will pop up in the bottom there. And if they're on a Mac, it'll pop up there. So that's what a push notification is. Now, people opt into push notifications on websites. If they're reading news websites and stuff like that, it might say, do you want to keep updated with news or whatever? They opt in. Now, there's a lot of networks out there now which are building up databases of people that have opted into those push notifications. So what they allow us to do is actually create an account. So I sign up to Propeller Ads, and then what I can do is send out little adverts. So this is my advert that I've created, and I can send it out to their database. And every time someone clicks on that push notification, that's a click. I pay per click. And then that leads through to my sales funnel, which eventually leads through to the max bounty offer. Now, you don't have much room with push notifications when you're creating it. So this is kind of setting up a campaign here. And you basically get like one line for the title, one line for the description, and an image. So as you can see, the first part of this strategy, which I've done, is made it look like they've received a message from someone, which works really, really well, because some people do push notifications and they might be saying, oh, sign up to a new book, or I've released a new book, or I've released a new whatever, and it might be like new book with a picture of a book. If you get that through on your phone, it looks like an advert, you don't care. But if you get a message through on your phone that says, Donna from Vindale Research, hello, are you available, with a little picture of a woman, you're like, what's this? I've got a message. You don't know how how it's come through, but you're like, oh, then you click on it. So that gets the click. Now, the great thing about push notification traffic is it is super, super cheap. So we just look here. So I'm currently bidding at the moment. I can get 19,000 clicks today for 3 cents per click, which is super cheap if you compare it to like Facebook or Google and things like that. But even if I bid lower here, I could get 4,500 clicks for 0.03 cents per click directly coming through to people's phones. Now, the only downside to it is they're not very targeted. So you can't target on like age, you can't target on sex, if it's a man or a woman, or anything like that. All you can basically target based on is the websites they opted in to, which I'll explain a bit more about later. But it's quite generic traffic. But if you couple it up with the right offer from Max Bounty or a CPA network, you can make a lot of sales from it. So this one that I'm currently running at the moment, Donna from Vindale Research, are you available, is eventually leads through to a Max Bounty offer where it's a survey offer. So it's called Vindale Research, and they want people to take surveys on their website, and the people can earn $50 per survey. And this offer, every person that I send to this offer that actually enters their email address to sign up, to create an account, they'll pay me out $1.70 per lead. That's what I can make from this offer. So think about that. If I'm getting clicks for 0.03 cents per click, and if I can get a high conversion rate and I'm getting paid out $1.70, you can actually make quite a lot of money from this. And obviously this is quite a low ticket offer. I'm currently running some of them where they're paying out $40 per lead if they sign up for some other campaigns, and I'm making sales from that as well. But when I first started testing this out, I used to just direct link. So I would do a message here saying, hi, it's Donna from Vindale Research. Are you available? Or do you you can get $50 to sign up for a survey or whatever. And then I would just direct link them straight through to this offer here, straight through to the landing page on Max Bounty. And I used to get some sales from that, but it didn't work that well until I discovered this unbelievable way of doing it. And I don't think anyone else is doing this strategy out there. I just saw this tool and I coupled it with this traffic source, and magic started to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'll just show you here now. So I'm just going to copy my tracking link here. So basically this is what they will see after they click the little push notification. So they get a little push notification saying, hi, it's Donna from Vindale Research. They click it, and then this is the landing page that's going to load. Prepare to be amazed. Boom. Hi there. It's Donna from Vindale Research. We're offering a reward of $50 for users to complete a quick survey. Are you free to answer a few quick questions? Boom, that is the magic. Basically, as you can see, it's a chatbot, which is doing the selling for us. It doesn't look like it's not a landing page, but it is kind of a landing page, but it's not a landing page, it's a chatbot. And then they click yes if they want to. And then she says, great, thank you. So it's like a real person chatting to them, building up trust. So this is why my conversion rates, when they eventually get to the max bounty offer, are sky high. Look, she asks for their first name, so they type in whatever you want, Liam, and then she'll respond. See, I'm calling her she like it's a real person. Are you aged over 18? I mean, I didn't even need to ask that, but I just asked some questions, and then I say, great, you've qualified. All you need to do is click on this link, sign up on our website, which is my max bounty offer, and then complete the survey to get your $50. And that is it. That's why it works so well. And I'm super excited to share this because it's crazy. But I built this on a tool called Conversio Bot, which is basically a chatbot builder. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description, obviously, so you can sign up if you wanna do this strategy yourself. It's only $67 for the extreme version, which is what you need to build these like full page chatbots, because it is actually originally designed as just a chatbot which goes in the bottom of your website. But if you buy this extreme version for $67, which is pennies when you think about what you can make back, currently got a launch special, $67, you get that lifetime access to that. And it means you can build out these full page chatbots. So this is kind of how it works inside, and it's got an intro, and you literally just go through the questions, hi there, and you can change out whatever you want, see how long she's typing for, and tailor it to the offer that you're gonna send them to. And it is crazy. If you do sign up to that with my link, I'll also give you a copy of my Super Cheap Traffic Secrets training course, which kind of goes into a bit more detail about push notification traffic and other stuff for free. So if you do that, let me know, drop me an email, I'll leave the information below and I'll send you that course for free. Now the possibilities with this are almost endless, because as I'm doing it with a survey offer at the moment, but there's so much potential. This works quite well. I've been testing it out with dating offers. So they receive a message from like a dating one. So you get like dating offers on here. Like, see if we can get like date for you, mobile here, single opt-in. So you could do it with a dating offer. So they get $1.45 every time someone opts into this kind of like WhatsApp dating thing here. So you could do it like a message where it's, hi, it's Donna, do you want to chat? And then it's like, hey, do you want to chat? And then you could say, oh, to see my profile, just create an account here. It also works well with finance offers as well, like loans and stuff, because what you can do is you could be available for a loan of up to $1,000. Can I ask you a few quick questions to see whether you qualify? And you have your little chat bot asking the questions and saying, are you over 18? Are you this? Are you that? And all those little steps, they're called micro commitments. So every time someone goes through another step and they feel like they've qualified, there's a much higher chance of them converting when they get to the offer. And you might think, would it work well? Because is it better just to send them straight through to the offer? Because a lot of people cannot be bothered to speak to a chatbot and ask loads of questions. Like with this one here, I'm saying, which of the following social media platforms do you use the most? And then they select one. That question is irrelevant. It doesn't matter at all. I'm just asking them a few questions to make it almost seem like this is the survey. And then I go, great, you've qualified for the survey. All you need to do is create an account. So they're micro commitments, which just builds up the trust and increases the conversions when they get to that page. And then they click create free account and earn reward. One thing that I do want to say in this video, that is, if you are attempting to do this strategy or even any kind of paid traffic strategy, you need to make sure that you're tracking using a tracking software and split testing. Now this is really important. I use Volume, which is only like $69 per month, I think, for like the basic plan to track things. And I would not have been able to get that 600% return on investment if I wasn't tracking and split testing. So if you do want to sign up to Volume, I'll leave my link in the description, but I just want to show you, because I'll show you my chatbot account here. So as you can see, for Vindale Research, I've got 5 different chatbots. So 5 different landing pages basically. And I was testing some short ones where they don't ask many questions, some long ones. Sometimes I ask their name, sometimes I don't ask their name. And I would never really been able to work out which one of those would work best and get the best results unless I was split testing them. So what you can do is you create a campaign in volume, like this here. So you create a campaign, and then inside this campaign here, you can see landers. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different landing pages for this one campaign, and most of them were losing money. But then one of them has put me in profit by $20. Now, I might have spent my entire time just running traffic to this one landing page, and that might never have made me profit. And I never would have known that until I split tested loads of versions. And what you can also do is you can filter things by various different things as well, like country, connection type, and you actually start to notice patterns. This is a bit more advanced, but I just wanted to touch on it in this video. You can notice like patterns where things are converted better than others. So you can actually sort all of the conversions by state. And you might find out that a certain state in the US, like New York, I'm spending a lot of money and not one person has actually signed up. So you might want to exclude that, and when you're doing your targeting in Propeller, you don't focus on that state and you only focus on other state. Or it might be the certain browser that they're on, because maybe your offer is targeted more towards older people, and maybe older people use that certain browser. So although you can't target with Propeller ads or push notifications, you can't really target based on the demographics. You can start to use a tracker to filter out things that are wasting money. And you can also filter out zones, which is the websites that they opted in. If you find out a certain website is not profitable, like traffic from that website is not profitable at all, you can filter that out, and then you keep nurturing your campaign, and that's how it gets to become more and more profitable. So yeah, I highly recommend you get involved with a tracker if you are going to use this strategy, because I don't want you just to jump in and then try it and fail, because you probably will lose money straight away if you're not tracking and split testing. If you do sign up to Volume with my link and you want me to walk you through setting up a campaign, because it is a bit of a mind fuck when you first get into it, it does blow your mind, but it's pretty simple. But I will do some kind of videos. I was going to add it onto this video, but it's getting too long now. So if you do sign up with my link, let me know, and I'll literally create a step-by-step video where I'm setting up a campaign from start to finish, taking the offer from Max Bounty and all that, just to show you it from start to finish. Or I might add it to YouTube if enough people are asking for it. Also, I'm going to run another little competition in this video. So if you want to win a copy of my 6-figure affiliate bootcamp training course, I'm going to give away 5 copies of it in this video. 5 copies, that's worth $5,000. Currently sells for $997. Proper in-depth training course, all about affiliate marketing. If you want to win it, all you need to do is look in this video. Somewhere in this video, I'm going to hide the word bootcamp, because it's a 6-figure affiliate bootcamp. I'm going to hide the word bootcamp somewhere in this video. You need to find where it is, and then once you find where it is, go to the comments below, comment anything, just let me know what you thought of this video. You need to leave a comment, make sure you leave a comment, because I will check. And then go to the link in the description where you can enter the competition, and you just need to enter your email address and the time code where you spotted the word bootcamp. And then I'll choose 5 people, and I'll do some kind of, I'll put it on my story on YouTube, and I'll email you as well. And I should record the video where I pick the people at random, 5 people. So there's a high chance of you winning a copy of my 6-figure affiliate bootcamp. Anyway, that is it for this video. I'm absolutely knackered. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and make sure you comment below. Let me know what you thought of it. And if you've got any questions, I'll answer them if you comment them below as well. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.